In today's video, I'll show you how to export data from Salesforce to Excel quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the Salesforce website. Log in with your username and password to access your dashboard. Once inside, navigate to the Reports tab to find the report you want to export. Open the report, then look for the Export button above the report results. Click Export, and from the options, select Excel or Excel XLSX format. You'll then choose between Formatted Report to keep Salesforce's layout or Details only if you want just the raw data. Once you've made your choice, click Export to start the download. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either save automatically in your Downloads folder or ask where to save it. And that's it. Your Salesforce data is now in Excel, ready to analyze, share, or manipulate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made exporting your data fast and hassle-free.